achieve them. Instead of reacting to events and opportunities, you go out and create your own events and opportunities. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very warm good morning to one and all. Today, Nancy class is present in assembly, so I like to call Nihal for prayer.
ആനന്ദയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിന്റെ ശാലിയായി വായുന്നോരീശ്വരൻ തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമേകരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും പരമകാരുണ്യവാൻ കരുണാനിധിയെ വിധി പറയും ദിവസത്തിനേകാധിപനെ നിയതമാരാധിപ്പൂ ഞങ്ങളങ്ങയ മാത്രം സതതം സഹായമത്തിപ്പതും തിരുമുമ്പിൽ നയിക്കണം ഞങ്ങളെ നേരായ മാർഗത്തിൽ നിന്നനുഗ്രഹപാത്രമായോർതൻ മാർഗത്തിൽ അങ്ങയാൽ കോപിക്കപ്പെട്ടോരുടെ വഴിയല്ല സന്മാർഗദൃഷ്ടർ തൻ വഴിയിലുമല്ല പാരന്തയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിണ്യശാലിയായി വായുന്നോരീശ്വരൻ തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമേകരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും.
Next, for pledge, I invite Ismail.
Hands forward. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In there will be as prosperity and always my happiness. Jai Hind.
For news, I invite Farhan.
Good morning. Today's news. 93,940 people has affected COVID-19 in India. 7,006 people has affected COVID-19 in Kerala. It is the highest total COVID case in Kerala. Sushant Singh Rajput case. Deepika Padukone leaves NCB office after 6 hours. Which government has 80,000 crore for distribution of COVID vaccine? Ask CEO. Sports news. Kolkata Knight Riders has defeated Sunrisers Hyderabad with 7 wickets. Shubman Gill scored 70 runs. Neymar sensational world record Puma boots deal worth 23 million a year move him ahead of Ronaldo and Messi. Thank you.
Next, Shafla for English thought.
Good morning. Today's thought. Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or self-confidence. Thank you.
Next, I invite Zahwa for Malayalam thought.
നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ചിന്താവിഷയം ജീവിതത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ മഹത്വം ഒരിക്കലും വീഴാതിരിക്കുന്നതിലല്ല, മറിച്ച് വീഴുമ്പോഴെല്ലാം വീണ്ടും ഉയരുന്നതിലാണ്. നെൽസൺ മണ്ടേല. നന്ദി.
Next, I call upon Shamil for Hindi thought.
नमस्कार. आज का सुविचार. कभी रुकना नहीं चाहिए, कड़ियाँ का सामने करता रहना चाहिए. कोई भी चीज शुरू करने से पहले असंभव और कठिन लगती है, परंतु प्रयास करते रहने से सरल लगने लगती है. धन्यवाद.
Next, I invite Afra for Arabic thought.
السلام عليكم. دائما خذ بعين اعتبار أن قرار النجاح أهم من أي شيء آخر. شكرا.
Next, I invite Shazin for Amazing Fact.
Good morning. I am Muhammad Shazin. Today I am here to introduce some amazing facts. First one, elephants are the only animals which cannot jump. Second one, water on the moon was discovered by India. Third one, our nose and ears will never stop growing. Fourth one, the heart of shrimp was located on its head. Fifth one, woodpecker eat their brains when they are too hungry. Thank you.
Next, I invite Anas K for new words.
Good morning. I am here to introduce a new word, pulchritudinous. Pulchritudinous, which means beautiful. Everyone is pulchritudinous in their own way. Thank you.
Next, for speech English, I invite Fatima.
Good morning to all. My name is Fatima from class 9th C. I hope you all are safe and secure. It's a great opportunity to deliver a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. An eye for eye ends up making the whole world blind. This is a famous quotation by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu. On 2nd October, on account of Gandhi's birthday, like each year we have gathered together to pay homage to Father of our nation. This day is also celebrated as International Day of Nonviolence, as Mahatma Gandhi followed the path of Ahimsa. Born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a lawyer by profession. He completed his law training at Inner Temple in London and went to South Africa. He never accepted British culture and rule. He struggled a lot and played an important role in making India free from British rule. Khadi movements, non-cooperation movements, Quit India movement were some of the most effective movements under the leadership of Gandhiji that led to our independence in 1947. He never tried to hide anything from the people. Here's an open book. His book, My Experiment with the Truth, astonishingly reveals his life. He always trusted that happiness is a result of good conduct. He says, happiness is when what you think, what you see, and what you do are in harmony. The UN has greatly honored Mahatma Gandhiji. That's why they announced the 2nd October as International Day of Nonviolence. Mahatma Gandhi received a lot of awards as greatest political icon, father of the nation, and many more. On 30th January 1948, his symbol yet magnificent life came to an end when he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. He may be no longer with us, but his opening quote says it all. His teachings will always inspire us. Jai Hind.
Next, I call upon Hiba Fatima for speech Hindi.
आदरणीय अध्यापक और उपस्थित मेरे सभी दोस्तों को मेरी नमस्कार। 2 अक्टूबर गांधी जयंती मनाना चाहते हैं। महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था, पर वो बापू का नाम ज्यादा परिचित है। उन्हें राष्ट्रपिता भी कहा जाते हैं। उनकी जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1008 उनसे पोरबंदर गुजरात में हुआ था। इनके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी और माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था और इनकी पत्नी का नाम कस्तूरबा गांधी था, जिसके विवाह गांधी जी ने 13 वर्ष गई हुआ था। गांधी अपने कानून से पढ़ाई इंग्लैंड में पूरा किया। उन्होंने अंग्रेजों को खिलाफ महान और ऐतिहासिक आंदोलन को भी शुरू किया, जो सत्याग्रह आंदोलन और भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन थे। 1000 से अभिलाष को नयूरम हुसैन नमक दैत्य ने गांधी जी को गोली मार हत्या कर दिया। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Now I invite our beloved head teacher, Befatu ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine and safe. As we all know, tomorrow is Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, one of the inspiring leaders of India, is a person of immense importance even today. His preaching and messages are inspired by so many people across the world. He was a seeker of truth and pursued timeless discipline and spirituality all his life. He was greatly inclined to the Indian tradition. His teachings transcend all generations and are relevant even to the modern times. Particularly, his teachings to modern youth bring inspiration, instilling in them the power of his idea. During the freedom struggle, Gandhi persuaded so many people in the country to follow him and fight for freedom through non-violence. Even today, he is the one of the influential political leaders of all time. He encouraged young people to seek away prejudices and gave them new values for living. He stressed the importance of truth and non-violence and called the youth to be fearless. Gandhi is one person who realized the power and potentiality of youth, understanding the dynamic of social change. Many of Gandhi's teachings are relevant to modern youth. He understands the feelings and sympathy of youth and called them instrument of social change. He believed that only spiritual and ethical values can bring in changes in the social order. He wanted modern youth and students to become the means to form idealist thoughts. Gandhiji emphasized on simplicity, kindness, truth, and non-violence as his life's mantra. So these are the essential things that you as a students have to learn and follow from him. So this is why the UNO has declared Gandhiji's birthday as the International Day of Non-Violence. You as a youth of India have to gain inspiration from his principles, dedication and vision for the benefit of our nation and ourselves. So you are the real instrument of social change. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Stay home, stay safe. Assembly dispersed. Jai Hind.